Morning. We supply from 3/4 BSP to 2-inch BSP, generally from stock. The standard version of the dust valve is pilot operated, but we also supply it with solenoid operated. The general voltage is 24 volt DC to 230 AC. Also with this valve we can supply the ATEX version. Now this is ATEX version stem. Generally it comes with the W15 coil and then an ATEX case. We can also supply the Shield ATEX equivalent solenoid plug. Also the spares, we supply the diaphragm kits from 3/4 to 2-inch, and you can actually purchase separate the springs. This generally is the main spring and this is the pilot spring. For more information, contact Colin at Mec-Air, either Mec-Air@hotmail.co.uk or sales@Mec-Air.co.uk.